Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. Welcome to a new video and a new episode of Profit from the Internet. Today, God willing, I will explain to you a very easy and free website for profit from the Internet. Let me start with you the episode with very good news. You are the first to watch the video, finish the video, and register from the link in description. It works on the site for 5 minutes or 10 minutes in a lot. And you can withdraw your profits. Today you will start making a profit from the internet completely free of charge without any conditions. Without any conditions, you will be able to earn from the site just as you register and work on the site. You can withdraw your profits at the same moment without capital and without investment. I ask you to support me and I can complete the free explanations with you without any conditions. And without any experience. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, watch the video from one to the other, write a comment to support us through it, and share the video, because as you have benefited, others benefit, and I need you more than that you focus with me in the video so that you know how to work on the site, how to register, and how to work. Also, how will you withdraw your profits, and I will assure you again, you do not need capital. All you need is to focus, and the profit, God willing, is 100% free. From experience, this is the site that we will work on today. To register on the site, you will find the link in the description of the video, like the email, username, and password, and confirm the password again. After that, learn on the upside down image, which is this image. After that, you click on the registry. You will receive a message on the email telling you that you have created an account or created an account. Click on the link to create your account, and after you log into the site, in front of you will be the presidential page in this way. Of course, this is my experience on the site. I entered and worked and took my profits in the same house. At the same moment, I took my profits. I only worked for 5 minutes on the site. How do I earn from this site? I earn from this site by watching the ad. And the short link, what does it mean by watching ads? And the short link means that it is the first thing to make a profit. Who is Sichtil? Earnings confirm the withdrawal process. This coupon is a very important thing, a daily coupon. You can write on my Telegram channel, the website, take the daily coupon, put the coupon here, and choose the inverted image to prove that you are not a robot. You trample on claim and you take points through this site every day. After that, you have the proof, bonus, this guide. Bonus enters it like this and tramples on climb, but you must see 2 ads per day in order to be able to trample on claim, and you get a bonus guide. Either challenges that you do inside the site or tasks that you deliver inside the site. Target, through this target you take these coins. As for the rest, this is very, very easy. Every day you will solve this equation, which means 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 minus 1 equals 1, 5 plus 6 equals 11. Okay, where is the inverted picture? After you step on the cheek of your coin and do this every 4 minutes after that, you have these are some offers that you make through your phone or through the computer. For example, you download an application that solves this questionnaire in exchange for you taking the points of the condition of the link just by stepping on it and starting to pass or abbreviate links and ads. After you finish these ads, you will return to the site and take this number of points, which is 200 tawakkul. After that you have the BTC or the BT takulk, just that you are trampling on these ads like this. For example, you wait here for 60 seconds, a new top ad will open with you. What you are required to do is wait 60 seconds in this way. Until this time ends, you wait for 60 seconds and it takes 168 trusts. And this is what you decide with all the ads in front of you. You have 61 ads. And of course, these ads are renewed every little bit. Not just a few ads and they end. As you can see, we took the coins, of course, and it tells me to confirm the inverted image in this way and trample on verify. Very excellent. I took 168 trusts. This is what you do very simply with all these ads. Of course, I will see some ads in order to reach the minimum. Why is the withdrawal, which is 500 trusts, but not more than 500 trusts? But I mean, you are possible through 34 ads. 34 minutes. You withdraw your profits. We come back like this. Confirm the trust or confirm the operation. Verify. That's it. Thank you. You got the tawakkul. I will see a number of advertisements until I reach the minimum limit for the withdrawal. If I press this on and click on it, it will tell me here that you have 244. I must have 500 tawakkul. The withdrawal also arrives at the same time. Of course, guys, I have already reached the minimum. Why the withdrawal? But before we go to the withdrawal, I have to tell you that you will withdraw on what is the wallet that you will withdraw on. Of course, in a very simple way. You will register in the wallet and click on sign up and start entering your data and trampling. Click to verify and you will receive a message in the email as usual. And make sure or activate your account. After you activate your account on the wallet, it will be in front of you in this way. You will step on the sign of the personal attachment and step on deposit or withdraw. This means withdrawal or deposit. Of course, this is the balance that I used to withdraw from the site. My wallet number and refer to the website that I am withdrawing from it. It remains on the withdraw. As you can see, I currently have 685. What currency will I withdraw? Bitcoin, and put here the wallet number in this way and go down under that. Choose the upside down image and go down below that and click on withdraw. Very excellent. We do this, it takes 64 downloads within 5 minutes, but I was able to work on the site and see ads and withdraw my profits without a minimum. This is in a simple way. He explained to me the site. Of course, advertise. If you want to make an advertisement on the site, you can make a claim on the site and make, for example, an advertisement for your site. You will answer a button for your site and so on. Contact. If you have any questions or inquiries, you can send the support of the site, change the password, you want to modify something, then through the account. And here you have the dashboard that contains the statistics of your work, the referrals, and the profits that you made. Of course, the more you work, the more your profits will increase. You have a daily bonus. Now we can do claim because I saw ads. We choose the upside down image and go down under claim. That's it. I take the daily profit and every day like that. Step on claim and your experience will increase on the site. This is a simple explanation of today's website. Of course, I will leave you in the description of the video the link to register on the site and the link to register in the FostPay wallet so that you can withdraw. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you.